sautillé is a short, rapid bow stroke in the middle of the bow. The hair stays in contact with the string, but the stick bounces, creating an off-the-string effect. This bow stroke is best played in the middle part of the bow at the camber point, in the same area where rapid spiccato is played, so the bow can be easily controlled. Teaching sautillé is best approached by beginning with short détaché strokes with heavy weight at the camber point played at a moderate tempo. Gradually increase the tempo. As the bow moves faster, gradually lessen the speed and weight and move the bow using only the wrist and fingers. The bow will begin to leave the string all by itself. The player simply needs to guide the bow as it bounces. Once this bow stroke can be played on an open string, try placing within a scale. Coordinating the fingers of the left hand with the sautillé bow stroke takes lots of practice. Sautillé bowings are used to play fast passages with a clean, crisp sound. This bowing is widely applied in the orchestral music of Haydn, Mozart, Beethoven, and Mendelssohn.